In this video, I'm going to discuss using the editor button. You'll use the editor button to work with a loop, but not a track. There are two ways to access the editor. First, you want to highlight your loop that you're using, and then go down to the bottom left where it says editor and click on this. This will bring up the editor menu and the loop that you're working on. Another way to do this is to, once you've highlighted it, is to double click in the middle, and again it'll bring up the same menu as it goes through. Once in the editor, you can do three different things. First is the pitch shift. You can change the pitch to higher or lower by clicking the minus and plus buttons. Plus is higher, minus is lower. Again, don't push these too fast because the program has to catch up with it. You want to go slowly when doing this. So when we play it in its original state, okay, now let's change the pitch up. Again, it didn't change the tempo, all it did was raise the pitch. If we go the other way, we lower the pitch. You can see how that affects it. The other way to edit a loop is the playback. Playback allows you to speed up or slow down the loop. This again only affects the one loop you're editing. It will not change the entire mix. And like the pitch shift, make sure you change small increments. Don't add these, don't get quick on the mouse. So if I change this to 1.4, you're going to hear a big difference now. It sped it up. Also, looking at the mix area, you'll notice that the loop is now smaller. Because it's been sped up, it doesn't take as much room. If we slow it back down or go back to our original, which was 1.10, you see it's full size back to where it was. If we slow it down to 0.8, we're going to get this playback. And you notice that it got longer because we slowed it down. Let's reset it to 1.10 where it was. And then the third edit you can do is to reverse something. This completely turns the loop around 180 degrees and just plays it all backwards. And again, this is something that you might use for an effect with different things. You can always go back, hit the reverse button or the undo button at the top, or Control Z, Command Z, depending on your operating system.